I had no idea. I had no idea it was going to happen. I was told to come in and stand next to the person presenting the assembly, but I had no idea it was going to happen. It was very like, the commissioner's coming, and that was about it.
Okay, and then
I think when I heard Miss Met's name, I kind of knew that she deserved it just because of the fact that she's a very overachieving person. And she pours so much into her students. I found that she developed like a curriculum for her students that was very like beneficial. And we had like asynchronous work where we did work online, and she was able to support her students, and that was really beneficial. I also learned that she's like a nationally board certified teacher, where she like can teach all over the United States, which is super cool, and she like put a lot of work into that. And so just knowing that she's like achieved so much, I think that it's like beyond great that she like earned that achievement, just because of the fact that like teachers really put so much work into supporting their students, and not many of them are really recognized. I think it's important to recognize educators in such a public way because of the fact that they support us in many ways, emotionally, socially, and like teaching us in the classroom. And I think because of that, we become better people. I also think that like we spend half of our time at home and half of our time at school. School becomes the second home for a lot of us. And so because there are so many so many good teachers, they support us in becoming our best selves. I also believe that we are just more mature and better people as a result of them.
I kind of answered that. But
Yeah. Miss Metz is a great teacher. She's actually the advisor to NHS, so I not only was able to learn from her in the 9th grade, I was also able to become a better leader. As president of NHS, I've been able to like work side by side with her in order to support our members in completing service projects. And so it's really great to see how much like work and coordination and extra work outside of school and outside of her job that she's put in order to like support her students. And so it's not just the job that she takes seriously, but it's also like the supports in which she outside of her job that she takes super seriously. And so it's like really wonderful to see that she not only like wants to support her students, she wants to support herself, and in turn she supports her students